Hey guys, it's Meaabeauty back again with another video. This time we are doing this Ariana Grande Breathing music video inspired makeup. I literally just saw the video today. I know I'm like super behind. And she is so stunning. And the video is done to represent how anxiety feels. And I think that they did a really good job representing that. I want to keep on watching to get this glowy, kind of Christmassy looking brown smoked out black shadow, no liquid liner, and like a deep red lip, then please keep on watching. And before you watch the video, please hit the subscribe button as well as thumbs up this video. If you guys also want to stay connected with me, all of my social medias are linked below. So guys, let's get right into the video. Just keep